Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 26. What is the hydrogen ion concentration of solution whose pH is 4.4? A. 3.98 times 10 to the power minus 5. B. 3.98 times 10 to the power minus 4. C. 3.89 times 10 to the power minus 5. D. 3.89 times 10 to the power minus 4. E. 3.79 times 10 to the power minus 5. Now, the formula connecting the hydrogen ion concentration and pH is given as pH is equals to minus log hydrogen ion concentration. Now from this, we're given that the pH is 4.4. So 4.4 is equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration. Now from this, we can say log hydrogen ion concentration is equals to minus 4.4. Now to get the hydrogen ion concentration, we say it is equal to the anti-log of minus 4.4, and this is equal to 3.98 times 10 raised power of minus 5, and this is option A. So option A is the hydrogen ion concentration of the solution with pH 4.4. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on past questions.